ta. Sure, dawa nilang sa... Puro papel ang tulog guys. Puro papel. Okay, saksi mo na ito. Papel. Uy, naday card ay. Brown envelope. Wala, isa. Sorry lang ko eh. Pambiyahe. Thank you. Paingon dito ba katugnaw pa no? Thank you lang ka. Yeah, ribbon na. Lady kayo, lady. Lady. Pasigo na kay stretchable man. Ay, sapatos man jud ay. Dagan na sapatos, thank you lang ga. Kadahan na kanang dagan sapatos. Dagaon ko nimo. Hinga ka sa una nimong hatag sa kuha.
Kuanan to.
Sapatos. Kana topsider. Sapatos eh. Wala kay nungdong. Naami ka to. Ha?
Sige
Siguro ni. Nasa may size? Para sa imong size?
Diyoy. Ingo dako ba ang size?
Dili pa tag size. Slim lang ka. Pila imong size?
6.
Oh, 6 man ko.
Awa, dako na.
Groceries, some
Pwede
bags,
po
some
na inisan.
rice.
Nanto.
Di okay ra medyo san 7 eh? Ah, gamay ra diferensya.
Dako na nimo.
But that's the thing, right?
Tambok ng tiil, pareha.
When,
6 ka?
like,
Then.
we're old enough to know what we did. We may not
Ay, okay ra man.
Ha?
Okay ra.
remember it,
Ah, tsada ka.
but we know we
kayo.
did it at one
Pink.
time. Like, at one point, we did.
Dalaga kayo, dalaga.
We're gonna accumulate that much.
Dalaga, bibig kadali.
If you hadn't even
3 weeks.
So, my
Thank you lang ga.
thing is that you gotta have the
Magbasa.
simple person really,
Sa online mo gipalit?
because you don't
Ang sapatos?
have the,
Mga nindot din mga online. Ay, sa winners?
it's either you're not enticed to do it, like spend money, or you just don't have the interest to even get more than what you already have.
Nanitunog ba?
And I got it from my
Oh,
dad.
butang ba dyan? Puro kaya sila.
Wala yung magbilang.
Learn how to get satisfied.
Oh, wow, kanindot og handwriting.
Because some- because
Dearest
others
Ate Jen,
don't have
happy
this
birthday dear
luxury.
sister, wishing you a
Yes.
day filled with joy, laughter, and all the things love. Kanindot ay.
Complain about that.
Here's
Guess what?
to another
Like
year
you
of
have right
friendship.
now, others
Have a
don't
lovely
even
day,
have that.
adventures, and forgettable moments together. Please,
You know, like,
marag nanamilit.
Please, yes.
Please hope this little
well, you know, like, for
Piso.
example, this place.
money help you to buy some stuff or food at the airport. We love you, love mo.
And then on the
Maris Jan and Aaron. Wow. Natay. Madugangan akong kuan. Naman ko'y 3,000. Oh, dako na. Oh, grabe ka dako. Ano yun? Oy, 1 3 man jud. Thank you lang, guys. Pasalubong.
like we've been here for 6 years.